everyone, welcome back to my channel, Possum Gardens. Today we're going to be doing a farm-to-table video featuring one of my favorite springtime vegetables, rhubarb. So if you've never had rhubarb before, it kind of has a texture of, I would say, celery, and it's really tart. There are different varieties. There's a much more red version. Mine is actually the more green version. If you look at the tip of it there, you can see it's kind of green in the middle. The really red ruby colored ones are really pretty. So in addition to chopping this up and freezing it and making wine out of it and doing various other things with it, one of my favorite ways to use rhubarb is in baking. Now, since rhubarb is pretty tart, it lends itself really well to baking because you're usually going to add sugar at some point. So people will oftentimes mix strawberry with rhubarb. So since strawberries are so available in the spring and so are the rhubarb, they're just naturally a match made in heaven there. We're going to actually do a layered rhubarb coffee cake and let the rhubarb kind of stand on its own. Now, rhubarb isn't for everyone. There's lots of people who dislike it. I would say even if you don't like rhubarb, give this recipe a try. You might be surprised. The rhubarb kind of melts in there and just kind of softens up real nice. And then you have the cinnamon from the streusel and the nice sweet coffee cake with a little bit of the tang of the sour cream. It really kind of, I wouldn't say it masks the rhubarb, it just accentuates it in a way where it's not as strong as maybe say like a strawberry rhubarb pie. If you don't like rhubarb in that application, this is a little different. So try it, make it, and I'm telling you, you might change your mind on rhubarb. This might be the recipe that changes your mind.
But
I'm just gonna film you eating it.
it licorice in my mouth.
Just hold it up. Just give it a thumbs up.